So I was 7 years old when I learned about the power of magic. My grandparents got me a magic set for Christmas, and Grandpa sat down on the floor with me. We opened the box, and there on a sheet of paper were the first 3 lessons of magic: appear, disappear, and restore. I had no idea back in 1968 that those 3 foundational lessons would one day profoundly change my life and reveal to me principles that you and I could use to restore your workplaces and create environments where people can thrive. I became very serious about magic thanks to Grandpa's encouragement. Grandpa taught me how to negotiate, and he then became my agent and my writer and my chauffeur. By the time I was 14, I had my own show on local TV, The Andy Bennett Show. During this time, Grandpa began to struggle with mental health issues. And when I was 16, 13 years after I'd lost my mother and sister, I lost Grandpa to suicide. I never talked about it with anyone for over 30 years, and I tried to fill that hole in my heart by being successful in business. I would go to work, I'd smile, but underneath the surface was a deep sadness. I was at the lowest point in my life, and I returned to the farm. Back in the 1970s, a fungus destroyed all the elm trees, yet our tree survived. The people who owned the farm before my grandparents had a bull, and they kept it chained to the tree. And when they sold the farm to my grandparents, they took the bull, but they left the chain. And over time, the tree began growing over the chain. Tree specialists from Michigan State University got wind of this, and they concluded that it was the iron from the chain that saved the tree. Pretty interesting, huh? And it hit me like a ton of bricks. That scar saved that tree. And I thought, well, what if my scars can save me? I remembered those first 3 lessons of magic: appear, disappear, and restore. And it dawned on me, that's a formula you can use to restore your life, to revitalize your team. And that's when everything changed. I'm going to share with you how you can use appear, disappear, and restore to lead as restorative leaders. What do you want to create in your business beyond making money? And what do you want to create for your people? Disappear is about eliminating what's holding you back, removing what's getting in the way. You can't do it all. So what do you need to say no to? Make those things disappear. Restore is about building strength from adversity. Oftentimes when we heal something that's been damaged, it comes back stronger than it was before. So how about you? What have you struggled through? What have you suffered with? That's what makes you strong.
He's a great storyteller. Yeah, I've got about 10 pages of notes.
There's only one you with the things that you've been through, with what you're passionate about. Use that to help others. This life is too precious to just live for ourselves.
It spoke so much to the work that I do.
I will think about it every day.
Focus on what you can do that's positive and loving and hopeful. That's magic.